Delano, welcome. So this early release out of Nvidia reflects some of the same headwinds we saw, certainly from Intel, but also from AMD. But overall, Nvidia is still doing better, certainly, than others in this space.
Hey, John, thanks for having me on. Yes, I would agree. I mean, it was a rough go on the quarter, especially if you're looking at the shortfall and drop in revenue, which is like primarily, obviously, their biggest portion of their revenue mix right now. But I think, as you mentioned, if you're looking for long-term investors, there's still an opportunity when you're looking at how they can diversify their revenue mix. I think they could have a more favorable mix going forward. They could increase and push more to their higher margin areas of the business, especially if you look at 2% of the company's top line was only attributed to automotive, last year. So I think that is an opportunity for them to increase that revenue mix and not be so reliant on just the gaming portion.
So do you focus more on the consumer end and the potential rebound there eventually? Do you focus more on data center and their position in the cloud?
I think, the focus could be on data center, the position in the cloud right now. I think the consumer is going to have a rough go at it for a little bit longer. We're seeing, obviously points in data that point to inflation potentially coming down, but I don't believe we're there yet at all. And so rate hikes are going to continue to go. So I think, they should focus on that side of the business. I think if you look at the B2B side, you have companies and corporations, although they're slowing down things, there's still cash on balance sheet. They're still going to build out and contract out. So I think there's opportunity on that side of the business.
Delano, I know you're very much focused on the potential to diversify those revenue streams further, but right now the reliance or the focus on the gaming space has clearly had such an impact on the stock right now. We see it down, trading down 7%. Tell us what you make of that blaming of this outlook on the gaming sector and how you can extrapolate from there.
Yeah, I think it has a lot to do with cycle and what's going on in the gaming sector right now. Obviously, on the consumer side, what's going on. I think, it's fair to make that point that they made, right? But, investors are not going to care about that much going forward when you have to look at the fact that they have secular growth trends. They have expanding margins. So I think we will see a rebound at some point, from the consumer, but it's just not there right now.
Yeah, and what is your longer-term outlook here for how Nvidia is going to be positioned in the broader ecosystem here? I mean, you and Don just said earlier that they are still doing better than most, but how do you see the sort of differential playing out?
I think they're still holding on to that share, obviously, on the graphics and gaming side. But, I think over time, that mix will be, more favorable, more diversified. And I think that's something that they pointed to as well, right? But if you still have, expanding margins, they're in a solid situation where they can put cash to work in the future. And obviously, they're still continuing their buyback program. So that's a good sign for investors as well. And that hasn't gone away. So I think long term, investors will be fine. There's going to be volatility. But I think long term, investors can hold on.